episode 2. I bought a GY6 spare part engine and it had low compression, so I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. Turns out that the camshaft seems to be wrong, and that is why. Let's continue. I'm putting it back together and I finally got the marks right. So now we got the T here at the point, and we got the line up here. Nice. So it should be straight, nothing in between. Gonna put the rocker arms on now. You can see that there's no level hitting the camshaft lobe now, so this is good. So it's coming together. I need to tighten this. Need to get M8 bolts or whatever this is and tighten them down. You can see them moving. I don't think they're stuck in here. Anyway, I tighten the valves according to specs, and the lineup is perfect with the holes. And we got the T mark here. So that's good. So let's see if we can turn it now without getting the piston stuck, or if there's some other problem with the head. So far so good. Yeah, seems to be working. It's just a bit noisy. Yeah, it's this it's the tensioner. I need to tighten it. Yeah, so looks like the cam chain was wrong. So that's correct now, at least. I'll try a compression test next. Put this back together also. Just need to put this in, and then it will pop out automatically. It's popping out when I press this. Then I try to find some threads. There we have it. Now it's adjust itself, so the chain guide there will be good. Got an open, keep it open, connected. See if I can kick it. Oops. Anyway, we got compression. Yes. So over 100 is good. It should start with this. And I'm not sure if this is accurate, this type. Some say it shows low. So this is good. Good news. We got compression. So I thought I would tighten this using a double nut, but this is not normal M8. You can see it's a fine M8. So the bolts I got doesn't work. So then I'll just tighten it and we'll go from there. At least we got the compression anyway. Now I'm gonna torque him down with this torque. Should be between 18 and 22 Newton meters. So I put it on like 20, and this isn't too exact, so, and then just cross pull it. I don't want to pull too tight. I don't want to pull it too hard. I'll go down a bit. It's a bit scary actually. How hard can you pull before they break? There we go. So this torque wrench still works. There we go. yeah, I have to adjust this again. This is too tight now. This still got some play, but yeah, I'm gonna adjust the valves. Not gonna show you. I'll do is like should be 0.004 here, and like 0.003 here, or like 0.01 millimeter, and this might be 0.05 millimeter. I believe those are the correct measurements. Otherwise I put them on the screen. Here you see the 0.05 millimeter. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a bit higher compression. Yeah. Wow. 150. So that's really nice. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get to start this one. Nice. And I mounted my minimal harness here, CDI there, and got the coil here and spark plug here. So let's see if we can get this harness to work. If we get some spark, I'm gonna kick it. Try to yeah, we got some spark. I'm gonna give you a less flash. Yeah, we get spark. Nice. Hope you can see that. Next, I remove the variator cover. It's missing some bolts. It's got a lot of crap down here. So I'm gonna remove this and service the clutch and clean it up. 14 millimeter. I need to hold it. 17 millimeter. It's a wonderful tool. Not the greatest shape. Let's turn off the noise. Gotta grease this up and clean it up. Puller. I'm gonna put a new appendix. Get some damage here. And here. Yeah. It's about time to replace it. The weight looks to be in good shape. Hardly any wear. Just a tiny bit. no flat spots. $5.67. That's a bit odd weight. It's a bit light, maybe it's put lighter in it. So I'm gonna clean the variator. I bought a new appendix like this. Gonna put some grease here, just a tad, and then on this side, which goes to the side cover. Let's see if we can get it to fit. If I need to, I need maybe remove the it's a bit tight. Maybe I need to remove this. Yeah, I'll do that. The appendix is in. I just had to unscrew this and jiggle a little bit. So now, see, this is going out. When the start engine pulls it, and it goes between here. Yeah, I've tightened it, and I'm putting back the old belt, since I don't know if it is some more problem. I'm just gonna try it out with this belt. If I like how it sounds, the engine and so on, I will replace it with a new one, since it is pretty bad shape. Yeah, gonna put the side cover back here. Need some more bolts for the side cover. It's missing some parts, but yeah, this turned out pretty good. And the cover is back on. Now we just need a carburetor, and then we can try to start it. Putting back the shroud.
I can't look you in the face.